This is the Invoices screen, a list of invoices that have been entered into Clara. You can create an invoice manually by going through this form and entering the information manually, or 9 times out of 10, you'll be setting up these invoices directly from the Jobs tab. So here is my list of jobs. This was my sample job, Murray's mum's ski weekend. So open it up. And if you remember from past videos, the shopping list was there. Prep tasks. If I had any expenses that I was planning on sending to the client, I would click on Add Expense, attach a photo or a PDF of the invoice, and it would automatically bring in the details. I'd choose the relevant category and that I wanted to bill the client, and it would attach it. Now, once that job is finished, you can simply mark it as complete. Then confirm and lock the job. And that's the job signed off. I will generate the invoice for you and leave it here. And it's ready to go. You could download the PDF. You could edit it if you needed to, or you can just click Send Invoice and the invoice will be emailed to the client, and it will all be sorted. If you've connected Stripe, then the payment link will be there as well, so clients can pay directly via the link. Now, once you've sent that invoice, you'll see it's been added to the list. This one is more than it said on the original job page because I've added on the VAT. At the top, there are summary cards for outstanding and paid invoices. If I jump into the dashboard, that number will be reflected here as well. But coming back to the Invoices tab, once that's been paid, I can mark it as paid, and that's the whole loop finished. And then it will appear in the bookkeeping, but that's a story for another video.